Wishtrenders, welcome back to Wishtrend Fitness TV. I am Chloe Bach and I am second runner-up for Miss Korea 2018. You'll be exercising with me this season. I usually really like exercising. I always try to maintain a healthy body and spirit. The values of Wishtrend TV to pursue healthy beauty and healthy lifestyle are same as my own. We have been asked to create exercise videos in English, so this season will contain 12 videos in English. Thank you in advance for your interest in our 12 exercise videos. We thoroughly read all of the feedbacks of our subscribers that left us in Season 1. We reflected on the requests and FAQs of our subscribers as much as possible. Your feedback helped us form the rich variety of Wishtrend Fitness TV Season 2. In this season, we'll be sharing not only a variety of useful exercise tips in each video, but also easy and diverse, healthy recipes. Please click like and do not forget to subscribe to us. It's time to get up and shape up. There's something you should always remember before you start working out. We also stressed this in Season 1, and it is breathing. Just by breathing properly, you can even help your body burn fat. Alright, wanna try breathing exercise? Breathe in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Breathing techniques help us release the carbon dioxide and toxins that remain in our bodies, allowing us to exercise more effectively. So I mostly do exercises that are easy to do but have twice the effect. These exercises help me to have a more defined and fit body. Now, let's burn that belly fat using the useful exercise tip every Miss Korea knows. First exercise, push-up and plank. What we have to do is now get on the end of the mat, stand straight up, and we're gonna go down, put our hands down on the mat. Don't worry if you can't touch the mat because I can't either. So we're gonna slightly bend our knees and walk out. Once you have reached the end of the mat, we have to do a push-up, but I can't do it either, so don't worry if you can't. So we're gonna just put our knees down on the mat and go down. Once you've done that, put your elbow on the floor and put your body into a plank position, like so. Don't forget to breathe. Now, back on our hand and walk out. And put your butt as high up as you can and straighten your knees and elbows. Do you feel the stretch? Do you feel your body tightening? Because I do. Voila! So we have to do 3 sets of 10 for this move. Now let's continue. Are you doing okay with following me now? There are still many people who believe that you should not drink water when you exercise, but that's not true. As emphasized in Season 1, our body needs a lot of hydration. A well-hydrated body is a well-balanced one and can give you the energy to exercise without getting tired. Please make sure to replenish your body with water. However, don't drink too much water while exercising. Drink just enough to replenish. Now, the next move is for those who really want to focus on getting rid of the lower belly fat. Shall we move on? This move is called a mountain climber. It is mostly used to stimulate the abdominal muscles during full body exercises, even though you are using your legs. It may feel like you're climbing a mountain as you pull your leg to stimulate your lower abdomen, allowing the body to concentrate on burning fat, stubborn and saggy lower belly fat. Now, let's get started. Put your body into a plank position. Align with your wrist. Put your shoulder and your hands in the upright position. And focus on your eyes on the floor. And as you pull your legs towards your chest, breathe out. And if you want some more intensity, you can go faster. Now, do you feel that you have stimulated the muscles all over the bodies, like your arms, legs, and your abdomen? Please shake your hands and your body and your legs. Don't forget to release the muscles you used after you exercised. Very important. So far, we have focused on exercises that concentrate on the abdominal muscles, but the whole body is constantly being stimulated. You probably feel like that your body is on fire right now. This means that you're exercising properly and you're well on your way to burning away that fat. Let's do the next move to help build up those abs. For this move, I'll start by laying down on the floor. This is called a crunch. This is especially effective for burning upper belly fat. It is also an excellent exercise to help increase your balance. Now, let's get down on the mat. Bend your knee and put your hand right behind your head. Using your abdominal muscle, pull up. But do not put your head down. Always keep your shoulder and your head about 10 centimeters high and pull up again. By now, anytime you take a breath, your muscles will be stimulated. That means you're really following me very well. The exercise I have shown you so far do not require any equipment, so you do not have to make time to go to the gym. You can get well-defined abs with these moves like planks or crunch by doing them whenever you have time at home. Finally, the last move. Would you like to learn a move that has a great effect on removing belly fat? The last action is a leg raise. Repeatedly targeting your abdominal muscles with intense stimulation will have a much higher impact on removing belly fat. The loss of belly fat will allow your abdominal muscles to show, creating a more resilient body. We're gonna get back on our floor. At times I have a hard time doing a leg raise, so what I do is a little trick of mine. I put my hands behind my butt, and it's easier to do when you have your hands behind your butt. Have your toes pointed, and we're gonna pull up your leg while we inhale. And once you have your legs up, you're gonna exhale and slowly lower your legs. earlier was something you need to do after each exercise? Right, please shake out your arms and legs. Please give your muscles enough time to properly release. You might have crazy muscle pains tomorrow. We all know that feeling when you can't even go up and down the stairs. But you know that you have to be consistent with your workout. Continue to build strong and flat abs, right? Hi everyone! Of course it is important to exercise, but there's something more important than that. It is healthy diet menu. I'm going to be giving you recipes for some simple and healthy meals after your workouts. Today I prepared a chicken breast steak. This is a low-calorie, protein-packed meal, helping you control diet but still delicious. Simple, right? Having a good control over your diet along with doing workout routine you went over today will make it even more effective. The moves we went over today are abdominal exercises that can be done anywhere and anytime without any special equipment. You can do this full exercise routine to steadily increase your abdominal muscles while you watch TV or movie at home. If you have any difficulties after doing any of these moves, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you. If you have any questions about getting specific body lines, diet tips, or any other workout methods, please leave us a comment. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Wishtrend TV to get the next episode of Wishtrend Fitness TV.